thank you so much for being here with us today. The Harris School of Public Policy is known for being about teaching students about data-driven public policy and rigorous evidence-based analysis. How, as a mayor, does this kind of data-driven policy factor into what you do?
Well, data really drives nearly every decision we make in cities. One of the challenges that we have as a city now even is because there's so much data that you can collect, is really focusing on the data that matters and that really drives the outcome. And so that's really the key part that we work on at the city, is making sure that we're looking for the data that drives the positive outcome we need. And that's a big transition for our city staff.
The utilization of data to deliver good government is so important, especially in a day and age that you have fewer and fewer resources to distribute in the effort to deliver good government. I think that the work that we've done in the Harris School in terms of our local data survey is extremely important in that regard. We were able to really quantify the number of vacant or abandoned properties that we had by surveying every parcel in the city of Gary. We were able to really focus our efforts where it needed to be focused the most.
There are so many debates that we find ourselves in. In Fresno, for example, we would be debating the same thing literally 50 years later. When you can inject good data, objective analysis into those sorts of quagmires, it makes all the difference, and the lights really go on. I have to tell you though, your community has to value data-based decision making, and as an elected official, that was really probably my most important responsibility, was being the traffic cop, holding myself accountable to facts, holding other people accountable to the facts, and at least creating a space and setting the stage where that list of data points and those facts could come forward, and then we could have our debates based on that objective information.